So your next question is, how do I lock the image onto the grid? And so I think if I understand your question, I might have answered it in the last video. So if I go back to this screen here and click on the pencil icon and click on Edit, I attached point A at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and then I can make the magnet be fixed to grid. And then what that'll do is that'll make that point A stick to the grid. I'm not sure if that's what you wanted or not. I'm not sure if that's what you wanted. Something which might be useful. I'm looking at the grid over the top of this picture. Might be kind of hard to see for some students. So here's something else that you can do, a little advanced trick for Algebra 2. If I go to the gear icon, and then if I go to the graphing icon there, let me back up. Let me go to that little icon there. I don't know what that icon is. And if I go to grid, I can just show the major grid lines, not the minor grid lines. And I can also change the color. So I might want to make that maybe just a tad darker, so it shows up a little bit better over the background. Or maybe even instead of a darker gray, maybe you could almost make it a little bit lighter or something a little bit brighter in color. That didn't do very well. Maybe a light one. Hold that puppy up a bit. So you can change the background color of your grid so it might make it easier to see. I don't know. I like where you're going with this activity though. Click on Done. And I'll answer your last question in the next video.